Hello, bonjour everyone, welcome back to the studio, continuing with this big 1 metre by 1 metre canvas. Today I am going to put some black and white on this one, and I'm going to put some of this orange and blue on the black and white one that I've got over there, which is the same size. If you've been watching, then you'll know what I'm talking about. If you haven't, I'll put the video somewhere to go back to when I started these two paintings. Okay, let's go. I'm still in the beginning stages, so I'm just going to continue playing about. Paint straight out of the tube. Bits here and there on my fingers. Still not thinking about the end product. Back of my mind, the mountains, my trip to the mountains are still there, so I'm thinking something about that is going to come out in this, which usually happens when I've got something that's inspiring me. Used my big roll of paper that I did while I was in the mountains to collage onto that and the other one, which you'll see in a minute. After I've done this step, I'm going to, because I've decided to use blue and orange, black and white as my colour palette on both of them. In a minute you'll see that I started on black and white on that one. So the next step is to mix up some colours to see what colour ranges I can get. There's my little scrapey. Put this black and orange together. I'm going to have to get another tube of black out. What I'm going to do, get some blacky streaks. I might have some. I've got any ink. I've got some blue ink there. Maybe for that one blue ink then.
Black ink, black ink. Black ink in there. No, gold ink in there.
I'll just try and find some. Okay, so I found my black ink. Couldn't see if there was like a, you know, 'cause sometimes there's a little pipette thing on, so I just went like this and it's gone everywhere. So I'm just going to grab my roller, I think, see what happens with that. I wanted some drippies. Whether I'm going to achieve it with... Aha! Yes! Yes! Yeah, love that. I'm in a black mood today. Doesn't mean I'm sad. I'm just gonna have to grab this and put it somewhere. I thought it'd come off more than that. I always like to go on the edges of my canvas. Oh well, got rid of that. Cool. That's some white. I can feel this having to go on the floor pretty soon. mix in too much with the black, so just leave it like that for a minute. I'm going to put this on the floor and get my other the problem with these big canvases when you've got a small space is not having enough space. So what am I doing with this? Oh, these blue drippies while I've got them out. That on the white, wow. Just let that drip a bit and then I'll spin it around. I may just go and give my hands a wash. Give it a spin. Try some this way. Not as much. Ooh, I'll do that. Whatever tools I've got in here. I bought some new tools. I bought some new tools. I bought this trowel, brand new. Should I christen it? Getting some straight lines in there, if I can. We add a little bit of water. I feel like my dad. My dad was a plasterer. Try and keep it clean. Famous last words. What else did I buy? I bought some new paintbrushes. And I found this tool in the DIY section. Look at that. I'm not mixing any colours just yet. Just want to. Let me just. Try out this tool. Ooh. Nice. Try and keep it clean. It's too big to go in the water jar. Test day today. What else did I buy? I bought this paint decorators tool to get straight lines. I'm not really into straight lines, but I'll have a go. I want to use it for another scraper tool, I think. Let's try it with some orange. Orange. Fancy some orange. Quite like that. I'm leaving it. Quite heavy. Drippies. Drippies where? Here. No drippies then, let's try. It's turning into black, so I don't want that. What tool have I got in here? Look at that. It's some sort of baker's tool, I think. Need to get some thicker paint on first. Toothbrush. I do love my toothbrush. It's wet. It's quite a transparent orange. Yeah, I think I need to let this blue dry a little bit because it's mixing in. I'm not ready to mix yet, so and while I wait for that to dry, I'm just going to add some of these blue drippies on this one because I really liked it. Which way? Oh, just keep it the same way. Not going to put too much water on that one. So I think while that's drying a little bit, I'll go in and do a bit of colour mixing, a bit of experimenting with this orange, blue, black and white. So I've got my blue, orange, black and white and these little swatchy. Oh, there's no point in getting them all out. So I'm just going to be mixing and putting the colours onto these. Oh, first thing I'm going to do though is on this to remind me that these colours are made from blue and orange. Could add a little bit of white there to say white and black. Okay. Yeah, so you saw how I just played and mixed and lights and darks and got some really nice shades and tones and really darks, really lights, and some lovely blues actually, some lovely blues, some burnt oranges, some light greys. Could have gone even lighter with these greys I think, but yeah, no. So, I've got something to work with. Okay, so I've got my colours, got all my swatches, they're all drying. After I'll put them into a little ring binder like this, like I did with my last colour swatches, colour palette that I was working with the smalls. So I'll leave it there for now. Let these dry as well, still these big thick paint is still wet, and after maybe I will attack with some of these colours next time. Okay, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Au revoir.